Is TikTok a real application for affiliate marketing? Hi, this is Tim. Welcome to All Affiliate Cash. Today, we are going to explore the use of TikTok to promote products in internet marketing. Those of you who are regulars here will notice that I'm not in my home office. That's because I'm currently living that free laptop lifestyle and working from a hotel room in Malacca, Malaysia, with just my laptop and a cell phone. Yes, that's right. This is why I do what I do, and what I hope you will be able to do as well someday soon. Anyway, back to the video. It was not long ago that I thought of TikTok as a platform where teenage girls did the latest viral dance craze to a 15-second music clip. Though that still exists, the reality is TikTok has grown way beyond that platform. Today, there are more than 1 billion people on TikTok every month. In 2021, it surpassed Google as the most heavily used website in the world. Hard to believe, I know. With the explosive growth of the platform, has also come some powerful tools for businesses to market their products as well, and we'll talk about some of those options here. The first thing that makes this platform a must-use is, of course, product visibility. TikTok launched in 2017 and has had phenomenal growth. Now with more than 1 billion users a month across dozens of countries and with a wide range of demographics, you can get your product images and features in front of a huge audience of potential buyers. Though the platform is still heavily made up of young persons, more than 50% of the users are over age 28 for the first time in years. This is a good thing for online marketing, as you are able to direct your content to people who have real purchasing power. The short-form video lends itself well to quick commercial shots, and the data shows that the more raw the video, the better it is perceived. This means you don't need a fancy production and highly produced commercial to get your buyer's attention. In fact, a video shot on a cell phone without any script will likely do better than a professionally produced commercial. Fast, agile, fluid, get the message out there and get off. This is what the TikTok audience wants. Though the platform has expanded from the initial 15-second video to now allowing up to 10 minutes in a single video, the longer content reach pales in comparison to the visibility of the short form. My long-form videos languish with tens of views, while the 6-second video gets thousands. My best performing videos are less than 10 seconds, so you need to get in and get out quickly with your message to be effective. TikTok is interesting for affiliate marketing. You can grow your channel very quickly with a video that goes viral. However, the audience you gain this way may have no interest in the products you are promoting. This audience growth is still a good thing though, and here's the fundamental reason why. TikTok wants users to watch your videos and stay on the platform. When they are interesting and many people watch, TikTok will promote your videos to more people. When you have a video go viral with tens or hundreds of thousands of views, TikTok will start to show your other videos to more people to see if they like your other content as well. When people comment on your videos, this interaction is something TikTok really likes, so they will show your video to even more people, and more will like your channel. Getting your viewers to comment is a very good thing, and for an internet marketer, this is all good. You will likely never have one of your product promotion videos go viral, at least not past a few thousand views. This is okay. In my own case, I'm still relatively new to TikTok and have grown 2 different channels to over 8,000 followers in the last 10 weeks. Why 2 accounts? The first reason is to extend my reach. I'm going to be setting up 2 more accounts over the next couple of weeks to extend my reach even further. The second reason is to let an account cool off if I've received a community standards violation. You will get these. Just appeal them. Some of these are triggered by stupid bots that don't understand what you posted. Some of these will be triggered by a viewer who reports your content for some reason. I've had dozens of these violations and I've won every single appeal. You should understand the rules on TikTok and make sure you follow them, but don't get stressed out when you get a violation. Appeal it and move on with new content. Having multiple accounts also means that should any account ever get shut down, even for a short time, you are not dead since you have other accounts that are still running and you can still market to 1 billion viewers. Just make sure your content is always within the rules, appeal when you get a violation, and keep posting steadily. Now back to my 2 accounts. My first account is a business account. I'm using this to run ads on TikTok, which you cannot do from a creator account. I also have an autoresponder for DMs on this account, so when someone messages me, they get an automatic reply. The first time they message me, they get a welcome message. If they hit any of the keywords I've set up, they get a specific message related to their keyword, and hopefully this guides them to my opt-in page or my Facebook group and they become members. My creator account is just like any other creator account, and setting up multiple accounts lets you reach even more people as the audiences you build in each account will never be the same. Remember, there are more than 1 billion people on TikTok every month, so unless I have 500 million people in each account, I'm only just scratching the surface. When people say that TikTok is saturated and cannot be a good platform for affiliate marketing, they are simply ignoring the facts. Now back to views. Business accounts and generating leads. Now my creator account steadily generates organic leads. I know this because I track where all my leads come from. My business account generates both organic leads and paid leads. The videos on both accounts can get anywhere from 100 to 2,000 views, and I've had one go viral with 280,000 on my creator account, and one that went viral with 500,000 views on my business account. Before I added the link in my profile for my creator account, which you can do at 1,000 followers, I was interacting with viewers through comments to get leads. When I set up the business account, I could add the link immediately without any followers. However, this has been changed, so these accounts also require 1,000 followers before you can add a link. I don't interact much in the chat or DM now, as I simply include a call to action in the video. Generally as text on the screen, I send them to the link in my profile. Now this is a sticky subject. TikTok doesn't want people to leave the platform by following your link. For virtually all profile links, when the user clicks your link, they will get a warning message telling them they are leaving TikTok. This scares some people away and they cancel their request. The way to combat this is to use lead gen ads in a business account. Business accounts can run several different types of ads. Many are really brand focused, and one of them is simply a post promotion ad. I've run some of these to boost post visibility and try to gain followers, and they were not overly successful. The lead gen ad, however, is brilliant. You create a new video as an ad, and I will model my ad video after one of my posts that has good traction with a couple of thousand organic views. In the ad, you get a call to action button at the bottom. I typically use a sign up button, so there's no question about what they're going to see when they click the button. TikTok lets you create a form that gets shown to the user when they click your button, and on this form you collect their name and email address. Using an integration with Zapier, I send these leads directly into my autoresponder at Aweber. After they enter their name and email, they go to a thank you page, still within the form, where you can send them to your affiliate link. Not to your opt-in page, you already have their email address, but to your affiliate sales page. The best part of this is there is no warning message that they are leaving TikTok. My ads provide leads for less than $1 each, and this is an extremely low cost compared to what I can do on other platforms, for the make money online niche anyway. Some people report problems with setting up ads, and though I feel for them, I've had no issues at all with the platform, knock on wood. Keeping in mind that TikTok wants users to stay on TikTok, the CTA to follow the link is a hotly debated subject. Unfortunately, there is no data that actually proves the speculation, but many people believe that if you include a clear call to action as text on the screen, or tell people in your video to follow the link, that TikTok will not promote your video. I have a couple of issues with this, since for a business account, this is absolutely going to be standard practice. And for a creator account, what would be the point of even including a link if you are penalized by asking people to follow it? I think the evidence is not clear, and so I will keep calling out to them, as in my creator account, this is clearly working today to generate leads. One of the additional considerations concerning your link is where to send the lead. Never link directly to an affiliate page. Never. This is the kiss of death, and your link may in fact never allow your videos to be promoted. Always go to a landing page that you have branded with your own domain name. Even using a link shortener can be a problem, so be aware of this. Some people advise that you should use a link tree or other generic web page where you present all the products you are promoting and let the user select which link to follow to buy your stuff. This goes completely against the direct marketing approach that we know works the best. To send your leads to one item and one item only. Remember, a confused buyer doesn't buy. I send my leads to my opt-in page for my Make Money Online training, where they get my free lead magnet, see my thank you video on my bridge page, and then my video sales letter. No confusion. No reason to click away because they ended up on a complex link tree page with too many choices. Now, there are some affiliate marketers who do fine with Linktree and similar landing pages, but you need to be sure you are sending your audience to something they expect, and don't just dump them into a large number of links. If you are doing comparison videos, X versus Y, and they can expect to see links to both products, that's fine. Just be aware that your landing page is not the place to try to sell them everything in your portfolio. Use your follow-up email chain for ongoing marketing to your list. The other major consideration for converting leads, and this is not specific to TikTok, of course, is to make sure your landing page and your message match the messaging you have been recording in your videos. You need to be consistent, focused, and tell them in simple language what you offer, then follow through with the offer when they get there. The question of how often to post on TikTok comes up a lot. The queen of TikTok, as I like to call her, posts 3 to 5 times a day in 4 different TikTok accounts. Does this seem like a lot? She has more than 300,000 followers and 200 million views, so clearly it works. I won't disclose her income here, but you should know she earns more than many professional doctors or lawyers just by posting short videos on TikTok. Now, what content should you post? As I said before, be consistent with your messaging. However, the best way to get lots of views is to actually follow the trends in your niche on the platform. This requires you to do some research and pay attention to what's going viral and what's trending in your niche. Remember what I said about there being no saturation, and use those successful videos as inspiration for your own videos with your message, but in the same general format. Pay attention to the sound and the music used, as well as the hashtags. Don't be discouraged when your version of a viral video dies with 50 views. It happens. Just keep posting and things will get better. Now about those perfectly shot videos. Quit trying to make the perfect video and just post. Yes, one take, add your captions, pick the music, and post. They won't last long enough to embarrass you if you stuttered, said the wrong word, had hair out of place, or the dog ran by. With 2 channels and 3 videos a day, I can film them, edit them, and post them in 30 minutes. When I scale up to 4 channels, this will only add another 10 minutes to my work routine. I also repurpose the videos without the TikTok logo on Instagram and Facebook as stories and reels, on YouTube as shorts, and on Pinterest as idea pins. You should do the same. Oh, and don't just dump that batch created content on the channel all at once. That will kill the reach of at least half the videos. Though the time you post is not going to be particularly interesting, remember your viewers are all over in every time zone. You want to spread your videos out across your day. Save the videos as drafts in TikTok and spend a minute posting them at different times to spread them out. There are many major brands crushing it on TikTok and a number of very highly compensated and successful affiliate marketers. But don't believe for 1 second that the platform is saturated or that you cannot make it work for you. So in summary, get on the platform now if you are not already there. Set up multiple TikTok accounts. Use organic as well as paid marketing if you can to grow your followers and get leads. Be consistent while following the trends and repurpose your content on multiple platforms for very little extra work. Go kill it as an affiliate marketer. If you need more help, you know how to reach me. That's all for this time from beautiful Malacca, Malaysia. Life is good.